Hello everyone, this is Avasia. Today I'll teach you guys how to create a hello world page, web page for React project. So today you'll open your React folder, which is my one is called Mission 0, and then so they'll have several files over here. Under source, you'll see a file called app.jsx. Double click to open it, and then you'll see a bunch of code that's routed. So this is the default. When you install it, it will default automatically routed under it, and then you can do it. It will show us on the web page, which is something look like this. But today we don't need that because we only need to do a hello world page. So right now, you just need to delete all the things over here. You only need to leave return let for you, and then over here, and you don't need the vite and use state over here. You don't need those as well. And then over here, you simply write a code that is your HTML code. So starting with div tag and a close tag. Over here, you write let's say hello world, and simply press save. And then at your page, you'll see there's a hello world over here. So if you change your code over here to h1 tag, then your hello world will be a heading, like in large word over here. So it's basically you're doing something over here with HTML code. So if you want to implement a function, you gotta do it inside a main app, which is called the function app. This is the main app that is the program gonna run. So under it, you write functions, and what name of the function will be let's say count, and bracket, space. Over here you have count plus equals 1. This will be your function of count. And then over here, if you create a button, button tag, so this will create the button, and let's name the button as count. So on the page, you'll see something like a button that says count, and then if you want the count to be function, then at here you need to put a curly bracket, and then that is your put the function name, which is over here I put count, and then it will simply display the current count number. Oh, hang on a second. So over here you need to have import use state from React, and then over here you gotta use const bracket count set count equals use state. The initial value is 0, so it will set that the count has an initial value of 0. Let's change the function name to count. So I kept off count. here, because React is a rendering program, so you have to use set count to store it as an initial value. Count plus 1. Yeah, so you can't use count equals plus equals 1 because you can't store your initial original count. Or you can't overwrite your original count. You can only use a set count, like the extra another variable to change your previous value. So you have to use a set count, and then to change your current value, that's your count, which is u1 plus 1. And then over here, so right now when we see our web page, we can see, I don't know, second, why is it not changing? Button count, oh sorry, this is count, not count. And then you'll see the count is 0 over here. And right now we want to change the count number 0 to 1 when we click it, and simply we just need to add a function called onClick, which is equal to the function name that is called count over here. And then so every single time when the button is clicked, that will trigger the function count, and then that will make the previous count value, that's 0, plus 1. And then it will output the current count value, that is 1 over here. So over here, it's starting with 0. When you press, it's 1. Press is 2. Press 3. There we go. So you have your count over here to 10. And you refresh it, everything will start again. Yeah, so today it's basically just a simple description for your the main app function for React. And then tomorrow I'll teach you guys about the CSS file and React. Thank you.